How to remove background noise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your audio in just one click using AI. So here, just head over to the veed.io and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, simply upload your video. And here, once you have uploaded the video, to remove the background noise, it's very easy. So here just click on your video and after that simply go to the settings which can be seen in the bottom left corner of the screen. And from here simply select clean audio and in seconds the AI will clean everything up, making the sound even clearer and much better. And that's it. That's how you can remove background noise using AI tools. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.